Hello students, in our today's e-lecture, we are continuing with the chapter Algebraic Expressions. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a monomial with binomial. Now moving to multiplication of monomial with binomial. The question I am taking here, 9pqr, that is a monomial term, will multiply with 2p square q minus 3q square r. This is a binomial. The method is one. The monomial, that 9pq, has to be multiplied with both the term of binomial separately. As I did it here, 9pqr into 2p square q minus 9pqr into 3q square r. Now this is the case of multiplication of monomial with monomial. The number has to be multiplied separately. 9 2s are 18, p raised to power 1 and 2, p raised to power 1 plus 2, because the bases are same, we have to add their exponents. Q raised to power 1 plus 1 and r is the only term, then minus 9 3s are 27. Here p is the only term, q raised to power 1 into q raised to power 2, that 1 plus 2, and r raised to power 1 plus 1. That will become 18p cube q square r minus 27p q cube r square. The next example I am taking here, find the following product and evaluate it for the given values of the variable. The question which I am taking here having two variables x and y. Now this is the same, the multiplication of monomial, that is 0.5x has to be with the binomial 2x square y square plus 1.5x y cube. The method is same. The monomial has to be multiplied with both the terms of binomial separately. 0.5x multiply, this is multiplication sign. 0.5x के बाद this is the multiplication sign, 2x square y square plus 0.5x into 1.5x y cube. The method is now again the same. The number has to be multiplied with number. 0.5 multiplied by 2 will give you 1.0. X raised to power 1 plus 2. Y square is the only term. Then 0.5 into 1.5 will become 0.75, and x raised to power 1 plus 1 and y raised to power 3 is the only term. Now 1x cube y square plus 0.75 x square y cube. Now what evaluation means? Evaluation means to put the value of the variables which are given to us, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, in the RHS, that is our result part. That is 1x cube y square plus 7.5 x square y cube. We have to put the value of x and y of the variable in this result. This is evaluation. So evaluate kar rahe hain. Now we are going to evaluate what I did. 1, 2 raised to power 3, because the value of x is 2 raised to power 3. Then minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 0.75 into 2 raised to power 2 into minus 1 raised to power 3. Now we have given the powers to the, we have put the values of variable here, that is 2 raised to power 3 and minus 1 raised to power 2. Now we are going to solve it. 1 into 2 raised to power 3, that will become 8, minus 1 raised to power 2, that will become 1, and 0.75 multiplied by 4 into minus 1. 1 into 8 into 1, that is 8, and 0.75 into 4 into minus 1, that will become minus 3. So 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Moving to the next question, find the product of this 2 by 7p square multiplied by 7q plus 14p and verify the result. Now we have to do the verification, and the value of variables are given to us. P is equal to 2 and q is equal to 3. Now again the multiplication of monomial with binomial. The method is same. The monomial has to be multiplied with both the term of binomial separately. 2 by 7p square into 7q and 2 by 7p square into 14p. Now numbers has to be multiplied separately. 2 by 7 into 7 p square q plus 2 by 7 into 14 p raised to power 2 plus 1. This is equal to 2p square q plus 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4, 4p cube. Now the next step is of verification. Now listen. Carefully students, we have done evaluation in the previous question to put the value of the variable in result part. Now verification means the value of the variable which are given to us, we have to put that value in LHS and RHS. Now what LHS is? The statement part, 2 by 7 p square multiplied by 7q plus 14p, this is your LHS. And the result part, 2p square cube plus 4p cube, that is your RHS part. And we have to verify after putting the values, their result should be same. This means you have verified that your product is right. Now simultaneously I am taking LHS as well as RHS. Now we are going to put the values of variable here. 2 by 7 into 2 raised to power 2 bracket 7 raised into 3 plus 14 into 2. In our RHS 2 into 2 raised to power 2, q is 3 plus 4 into 2 raised to power 3. In LHS 2 by 7 into 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, and 7 3s are 21 plus 28, that will become 49. Here 2 raised to power 2 has been opened, 2 into 4 into 3 plus 4 into 2 raised to power 3, that is equal to 8. And now after solving, what you will observe, the value of LHS is equal to 56 and RHS is also equal to 56. It means you have verified, hence verified the results that your multiplication is correct. Now we are going to learn about the simplification of multiplications of monomial with binomial. In this question we are having two terms, two cases of monomial with binomial. The method we already know how to do this question. The monomial has to be multiplied with both the term of binomial separately. Therefore, minus 6x square firstly multiplied with xy and then minus 6x square multiplied by 2y square. Then minus 3y square multiplied by 2x square and minus 3y square multiplied by y. Now, minus 6 into 1, that is minus 6x cube y, minus 6 into 2 minus 12x square y square, then minus 3 into 2 minus 6x square y square, and then minus 3y cube. Y raised to power 2 into y raised to power 1, that will become minus 3y cube. Now we are having two like terms, x square y square, x square y square. So what we will do, minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 x square y square, and the result is minus 6 x cube y minus 18 x square y square and minus 3y cube. Next question I am taking here. Now we are having the three cases of multiplication of monomial with binomial. The method is same. 2x into x minus y square minus 3y into xy plus 2x minus xy into x plus y. 2x multiplied by x minus 2x multiplied by y square minus 3y multiplied by xy minus 3y into plus 2x, that is same 2x minus xy into x and minus xy into y. Now multiply the numbers separately and variables separately. Minus 2x into x, that will become 2x raised to power 1 plus 1, 2x y square, then minus 3 into x into y raised to power 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus 6 yx minus x raised to power 1 plus 1 y and minus x raised to x into y raised to power y 1 plus 1. This will become 2x square minus 2xy square minus 3xy square minus 6yx minus x square y minus xy square. Now we have to look for the like terms. 2x square, x square, there is no term only in which the variable part is x square. Now the next, xy square and xy square. We are having three terms, like terms, minus 2xy square, minus 3xy square, and the last is minus 1xy square. Now these are like terms, look at their constant part. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. All the three numbers are negative, add their value and put negative sign. So it will become minus 2x square, minus 6xy square, minus 6yx and minus x square y. Now there is no other like term, so the question is solved. So home assignment for today, do worksheet 2, chapter 6 complete.